Hi guys! Today I'm gonna learn you how to make another game in Scratch. So at first we open Scratch 3. My Scratch is 3.29, I think so. If yours is not 3.29, mine is 3.29.1. But if yours is not, there's still no problem. But here has more backdrops like the space and more. I think the underwater is the same. The pattern is the same. The indoor thing is the room 1 and room 2 and refrigerator and you. And the outdoor is everything. Sports, there's nothing changed. And music, still nothing changed. And fantasy, still the same thing. And now, today we will start by gonna virtual. Are we getting started? If you're getting started, let's make a game that getting started. So, add a new block. Well, let's see. Okay, we'll go with another one. So, let's just make uh, a liquor game or a chase game. So we made the pumpkin and the chase game, so today I'll make the liquor. Yeah, let's go with the liquor. Okay, sprite. So who's gonna be our sprite? It's gonna be a balloon. So if you don't find the balloon, you can just write and yeah, I'll make it blue. If you want to change the color, go to customs. There's yellow and purple. I think in Scratch 27 or others, there's more. So let's see. And this right click start sound pop. And then create a score variable. So we're gonna go is it for all the sprites? Yes. Score. Is it score? Yes. And now we got a variable. Then change score by 1. Score, put it there. And now stop. Stop. There we go. Go to random position and just like let's choose a backdrop. I will go with a blue sky. Pretty good. Wait. Random position. Wherever we'll put. Go to random position. Go to random position. Wait 1 second. Sure. Then change color. Give another level. And then go to random position. We can duplicate random position because I don't want to make it so long, so I'll stop it and change change color if it's like 5 above all of them. And now then when the light flipped, set score, everything to score and it will be there. Score to 0. And let's see what our game looks like. So here we go. Oh, oh, oh my days. This is a hard game. Can't get down with it. Ah, yeah, come here. Come on, come to make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more. See you. See you next time.